Let's register for two-factor authentication with Duo. Open your preferred browser and visit 2fa.cmu.edu. Then log in with your Andrew user ID and password. The two-factor authentication self-service page displays. Click Register to use 2FA. Choose the device that you would like to register for two-factor authentication. Then click Continue. You will now be taken to two-factor authentication enrollment. Click Start Setup. Next, you'll select the type of device you would like to register for two-factor authentication. For this example, we'll click Mobile Phone and then click Continue. We'll enter the mobile phone number we would like to enroll in two-factor authentication. We'll confirm that we entered the correct number, then click Continue to proceed. We'll select the type of phone we're enrolling. Click Continue. If you haven't installed the Duo mobile app on your phone, install it from your favorite app store. Then come back and click I have Duo Mobile installed. Open the Duo mobile app on your phone or tablet and tap Use a QR code. Hold your phone up to your computer screen to scan the QR code. Carnegie Mellon University will appear on your phone and be listed as Duo Protected. A green check mark will appear on your computer screen, letting you know you've successfully connected. Click Continue. Congratulations! You're now enrolled in two-factor authentication.